How to remove mechanical keyboard keys. Follow these simple steps, work rift. You'll need a keycap puller on hand to effectively remove your keycaps. We suggest purchasing a wired keycap puller since it will scrape the sides of your keycaps less often. Inserting the keycap puller is the next step. A wire keycap puller works by slipping the metal wires under the bottoms of the keys, allowing them to be removed. You're essentially attempting to get enough leverage to allow you to pull up on the keycap and overcome the friction between the keycap and the switch stem underneath. Gently pull and wriggle the keycap puller with increasing force until the keycap detaches. The bigger keys, such as the spacebar and shift, will be somewhat more difficult to remove due to the keycap's attachment to the stabilizer stems. It is preferable to remove one side of these keys first, followed by the other.